Students. Myself, Professor R.R. Kolhapuri, and I am organizing this session to you for understanding what exactly RE is. Basically, RE stands for Ready Engineer. As you might aware that DKT has signed MOU with Tata Technology Limited. Under this, for every year, we are running or organizing the Ready Engineer program. And this program is specially designed for only third year students. Now, this RE program is divided into two parts. The first we call as RE1, which is TY part first, and second we call as RE2, which is TY part 2. Let me clear one more thing that this is not a part of your academic. This is the extra certification course, and this certificate will definitely help you to get the more knowledge, and it also helps you, or it also gives your resume weightage. Now, the RE1 we call as a fundamental of automobile design is having a six different domains and plus the CATIA. Once you complete these six domains and CATIA in a given stipulated period of time, then you will face the exam. The exam will be conducted by TTL and it is mostly of online mode. This exam consisting of MCQs, that is multi choice questions, and no negative marking. And in RE2, that is the part second for your third year, we call as advanced automobile design, and this advanced automobile design is having again two parts. The first one is BIW, that is body in white, and second one is plastic trims. Once you complete these two things in a given stipulated period of time, you will face the exam based on RE2 is again the MCQ type questions. Now let's see what exactly RE1 and what are the different six domains and what are the parts of CATIA which is included in this particular course. Again, let me clear that whatever things are happening at the end of TTL, those things are present in this particular courses. Okay, the first part, that is the styling. The styling is a part related to my car, which is external lookout. The external lookout may consist of the class A surface, the class B surface. Okay, and the styling will getting a knowledge of what is industrial design and it's important. How exactly industry person are working to get a better and better design, because in the market there are n number of competitors are there, and to make my product better than those, it is very important to understand what exactly the things are. And for this styling is also very important. And along with this, the typical product life cycle of my car, the image. Okay, I will show you the image shown. This we simply call as a clay modeling, and the image which is over here we simply call as the conceptual sketch, because different designer have a different thinking process or thinking ability. So one can design like this, one can design the another way. So based on this, we have to do a brainstorming and we select the good or best design and develop the same, which is the second domain, that is design and development. As I told you in my previous slide, to design the best thing which is which is satisfying the function and it is also good, and based on those you have to develop the same thing. As shown over here, the picture, this is a simple, a regular type of bonnet. See, this is a simple, a regular type of bonnet. And on here, the two pictures are there. This shows us a different design of bonnet. That is this one, and one may be simply a folding type. Such design one can create if it is up to the mark, if it functions very well, then one can develop the same. Again, here we are having a different norms, because without norms it is not possible to put the things into the car and to run the car on a road. So norms are very important for every part while manufacturing a car and before putting the car into actual running condition. So to get those norms, the next part is simply a CAA considerations, because without being a CAA considerations, it is very difficult to launch my car into a market. Now this CAA, again in this CAA, we will learn what is the FEA, that is what is the finite element analysis and what is a finite element method. Then you come to know what is durability, what is noise, vibration, harshness, that is called as NVH, what is a crash test, what is penetration test. So many things are there. Once they qualified, or I will say, once they fulfill the required norms or required limit, then we will launch my product or my car into the market, because safety of passenger is very important over here. So such things we're going to learn in this particular CAE consideration. Now the next is a simply of formability things. Now I'm showing a two picture over here. This is simply a car front door, and this is a simply a picture of bonnet, and this is drawn in the particular CATIA software. Now basically the 70% or more than that parts are made of a sheet metal, and the rest percent is made of baby the casting, the forging, and so many things are there. Now the front door, the back door, the tail, bonnet, roof, so many parts are there. Those are made of by using a forming process. Now how it is going to be implemented, which are softwares, those are useful to understand that how it's going to be a fail, how we will make it at a safer side. Such things we will going to be learn in the formability analysis. And this part of Katia, right? It is look like as very easy, but it's required 1 or 2 days to complete this particular bonnet. So such things you will going to be learn in this formability analysis. Now to manufacture this bonnet, we require die, we require a fixture. So such things I will going to be learn in this particular die design and this particular fixture design. Once you complete these 6 domains, then you will go for this particular CATIA. You all are aware because already taught in the second year semester number 4. Again, here we're going to be learn the schedule, part modeling, surfacing, assembly, drafting in detail. Here we're going to be learn what the icon, what is the toolbar, how it will going to be implemented. We're going to be learn each command in detail, each toolbar in detail. So once you complete the 6 domain and CATIA, you're going to face the online exam, which will be conducted by TTL. So this much part for your RE1. Now moving to this RE part 2, which we call as advanced automobile design, it is having again a two part. First one is body in white and second one is plastic trims. Now the picture shown over here, which we simply call as a body in white. This is very interesting and very vast syllabus. A requirement specification for pre-programmed stage is there. Then again, the product lifecycle management is there. The identification of different commodities. It may be a door, it may be a roof, it may be a tail, it may be the simply a fire rate. So many things are there. So those things will going to be learned in the body in white. Again, the GD and T in detail will going to be learned over here. Different materials will be going to be used, and it's great. So many things will going to be learned in detail in the body in white. Again, CAE analysis is also there. This also gives us how we'll perform the crash test, how we'll perform the pedestrian test, how the noise, vibration, and harshness affects on my system, what are the different norms. Such things are there. Those things will going to be learned in the body in white. The next one is the plastic trims or trim and plastics. The image shown over here is simply the inside image of car, which is simply called as a dashboard. If you want, you can modify it, which material one can be used over here, what are the different trim materials are there, then what are the different manufacturing processes are there, then what are the different assembly sequence are there. Such things are again the fault of plastic and trims. The whatever the things which I am showing over here with underline and italic, those things are common for the trims and plastic. See, requirement, product life cycle identification, design concept, failure mode analysis, C analysis. Those things are common for the both the things. So it means it is very important for the BAW as well as plastic and trims. So once you complete these two things, you again go for the exam. See, I'm not putting the extra efforts right now on the RE2 because my prime intention is to on RE1. Once you clear the RE1, then what are the different content present in the RE2? I will explain you in detail on later on stage. Okay, after this, the what are the output features that TTL will gives us? The first important feature which TTL gives is that is it simply gives a sponsorship for the project under the Prerna scheme. So these four students are witness for a same. So TTL simply gives a sponsorship, maybe 50,000, maybe 75,000, or up to the 1 lakh for your project under the Prerna scheme. But your project concept must be satisfies their norms. And last year, the five students of mechanical engineering ranked in the top 10 rankers of RE exam. So again, this is the second witness. These are your seniors. If you will do the things very seriously, you will get the definitely the benefit from this particular course. How? This is like this. One of the students from our college, that is Chetan Chilgiri, placed in the campus interview, and the interview was conducted by the Tata Technology Limited, and the package for him is 4.24 lakh per annum. So this is the outcome from the TTL RE1 and RE2. Now I will tell you one thing that this TTL will simply gives you a platform. They will not assure that we will give you a job. They will simply give you a platform, and if you are doing the RE1, RE2 things very well, and if they found that yes, his student is having definitely a good knowledge of the RE1 and RE2, they will directly call you for interview, and if your interview is good, then they will definitely select you, but they will not give you the job assurity. They will give you a simple platform. That is the things. And also one more thing, the TTL also gives you the sponsorship for NPTL. The requirement is that you become the RE enrolled student, and if you pass the NPTL exam, and after passing the NPTL exam, you simply fill the documents and they will refund the amount of your NPTEL course. So such things are also covered by the TTL or RA program. Okay, so this is from my side. Any queries are there, then you can ask me. Thank you.